build site and help him at the actual site. We have someone who actually wants to look at a house today. On top of that, we have concrete being poured, and I got to figure out how to get to one of those places. Oh my God, pray for me now. Yes, y'all, I did make it in time. My husband was even able to go before this to show a house to some potential tenants. And even though this time I got there after the trucks had left, after the very last truck left, so I didn't get footage of the trucks and the big pump that's used to get the cement on the ground. But here's the guys just smoothing out everything, making sure that it's nice and even.
That's the address and we get you there. But I think more than likely he's gonna want to sell. So. Okay. I'll swing it, bro. Thank you, Lucio. Today? Yeah.
What is that?
Okay. That boy Jado been going hard with Atlanta too.
Here we go.
You know the owner, he played for Atlanta.
This is some footage from another new build that we have that we just started. So I just wanted to show you the steps that I missed video footage of in the last few clips. That's the pump on the truck. And you can see that the cement here is completely wet. The guys are just sloshing around in it. And then I'll show you this, which is the cement after it's actually dried. It did rain a little bit before I got this clip, so that's just a puddle of rainwater in the back. But the foundation is dry here. And that's pretty much the two steps that I missed before. So I just wanted to show you this to catch you up to speed.
I'll send it to you. All right, brother. Appreciate it.
Look at that beautiful downtown. Oh, look, that skyline looks so pretty. Oh, okay.
Okay, so that's gonna be power right there.
I have to check. I have to make a double check and everything.
Yeah. If it's close, it's okay. He can connect.
Yeah, it's close. Yeah, it's 35. Here's the microwave. Yeah.
So we got the kitchen. So we're gonna do that for the kitchen.
Yeah.
Microwave. Cabinet. Trash. You got a spice rack or no?
Yeah, just remember
What
this.
spice rack?
Yeah, just on this side.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, and then over here. So now this will be cabinets. Okay.
Right to left.
The trash is over here or over there?
No.
Trash is right here.
Remember, you
Yeah.
switch. You
Okay.
switch.
Okay. Trash over here.
So at this point, framing is done, and I'll just show you a little bit of the house here. This is the living room, open concept. So the kitchen is where we're actually meeting the cabinet guy here today just to go over some of the finishing touches of our designs. We changed a few things back and forth. So we came to get actual measurements and kind of walk through our final requests. So in the primary bedroom, we're getting the measurements for the cabinets in the primary bathroom. And then we're also going to look into the primary closet, the walk-in closet, and make sure that we like the placement and the measurements for the drawers that are going to be built in.
I think I'm gonna do all hanging up. I don't think I'm gonna do any dressers in here. Do you put a dresser here? I don't worry about it. Like, since you walk in, a dresser right here? I don't worry about
I know as a female, we need,
a built-in like we got in our house.
yeah.
Let's do one built-in here. You think you put it on this wall, Steve? Or you think you put it here in the middle?
What's the bigger side? Or are they the same?
Nah, this is
They're the
both
same?
sides the same. But think about it, if you put it in here, you can use all that for wall space. All you got is a cabinet that's two sides, like our house. Drawer, cabinet. Let's do a cabinet in here, so you can walk right into it.
48,
48.
and 24.
24, 24. Okay, that's good.
Yeah, just watch out, buddy.
Oh, from the center.
Should we center the wall or center the door?
The door.
The door? Okay. So center the door.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I got it.
So when you first walk in, it looks...
You say how high? The height.
How high?
I can make 42.
Yeah, that's fine. 42 is good.
And then what do you want me to look at next? I can start thinking already.
Bathroom's pretty easy. Just look at the overall floor of the house and what you think. Cause that's okay. We gotta add a one right here.
A what?
Hand one. The plumbers can do it.
On the exterior, the stucco is being applied while we walk through the interior and finalize decisions. They're actually working really fast, but they did an amazing job. We chose a smooth finish, which I will show when they're completely done, because you can't really tell right now. The design, because I do like the open face concept over here, because you still get storage, but it's open. But with it being a bar, I think it would be cool to have the wine rack with the glass, even though that is more expensive. But to still have the mini fridge and the cabinets. And let's go this way first.
Boom.
This way.
Down the
Bedroom this way. Ten-foot ceilings. And then second bedroom. And then community bathroom. Great. Really? And then third bedroom with a ensuite bathroom. Okay. And then closet. Okay. Yes, guest bathroom. Okay, so then back at the front door, closet.
You got a half bathroom. This is another half bathroom.
So in total, this house is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. And so we do need cabinets put in for the counters here in the powder room, the half bathroom. So he just came in to measure that and add that to the list of things. Let me show you the rest of the house. Opens up into the kitchen with all the space for dining. Lots of space, really big area with living room. Big space. And then little hallway for the primary. And then the primary bath. His and her sinks. Huge shower and tub. Water closet. And closet. Closet.
Tell me to come over here, put the door here, I mean, look, if you want to go right here, okay. Or you step down, you don't have to walk with the shower all the way to get over there. What do you think?
Yeah, because that's normally where you would get in anyway. Like, step in and then get to the... Hold on, let me think. Yeah, let me think about this.
That was kind of awkward. You got to always walk through the shower all the way.
So yeah, it'll all be glass, but I kind of do think, because a lot of times, like, you'll want to open the door and start the water before you get in. Make it hot. I'll think about it, but I'm thinking I like your thought first.
Okay. You got no space here. You could just bring it out.
Yeah, but if it's in the middle, right, it'll open up to the wall and be out of the way. But over here,
people kind of like it out of one now.
I know, you mean put like another glass here and have the tub outside to be closed?
Box it out.
Yeah.
Then you got to try to get around. You know what I'm saying?
Or you just get in right here.
You want to turn the water on before you get in.
Ooh, you're right. Personally, I like it old school, but I know people have been asking for the all-included. I don't know why, but people do want the all-inclusive tub in the back with the shower, like the whole spa kind of experience. I don't know. People have been asking, so we'll just try it out. This is a trial run. I just wanted to show you the vaulted ceilings. I think they're really beautiful. The rest of the house does have 10-foot ceilings, and the primary suite does have vaulted ceilings, just to give it that extra little something. We went through and left some additional notes about things that we talked about just to help out in the future. We usually just use a Sharpie or spray paint for that. And the guys working on the stucco are going super fast but doing such an amazing job.